Jane Turing AI is a brand new AI software that's making waves in the digital marketing space. But is it really worth all the hype? In this review, I'll dive into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software before you try it. Stick around because I've got insights that could totally change the way you work with AI, and you'll definitely want to know what's coming next. You can even try Jane Turing AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's get straight into it. First up, Jane Turing AI is designed to supercharge your productivity. It's not just another chatbot or basic tool. This software uses advanced machine learning and natural language processing to perform tasks that would otherwise take you hours, even days. It can write, analyze, and even optimize content all on its own, making it an essential tool for digital marketers, copywriters, and business owners. One of the key things that sets Jane Turing AI apart from other software is its ability to generate not just content, but high-converting content. This means it's not just about writing, but creating copy that actually drives action, be it for an email campaign, blog post, or social media ad. It uses real-time data to make suggestions, ensuring that your content isn't just good, it's effective. Secondly, the software is highly customizable. Unlike many AI tools that offer a one-size-fits-all approach, Jane Turing AI allows you to personalize its behavior and output. Whether you need something formal for your business or a casual tone for social media, you can adjust the settings to get exactly what you want. This level of customization makes it incredibly flexible for various industries and use cases. But what about accuracy? Jane Turing AI's data processing capabilities are incredibly sharp. It learns from a wide range of sources, so it's not limited to a narrow scope. Whether you're working in tech, health, or finance, the software can adapt to your specific needs, providing insights that are accurate and relevant to your audience. It's like having a team of experts on standby at all times. Another standout feature is its collaboration tools. If you're working in a team or have clients to manage, Jane Turing AI makes it easy to collaborate. You can share documents, review content in real time, and make edits seamlessly. This alone saves you a lot of time when working on projects with multiple people. Jane Turing AI also integrates seamlessly with other tools you're likely already using. Whether it's your CRM, email platform, or even project management software, it syncs with them effortlessly. This means you won't need to waste time trying to figure out how to get everything to work together. It just works. And that's one of the things I appreciate most. Now, while Jane Turing AI is a fantastic tool, it's not perfect. Some users have mentioned that there's a slight learning curve at first, especially if you've never used AI software before. But don't let that scare you off. Once you get the hang of it, you'll realize how intuitive and powerful it is. Finally, Jane Turing AI isn't just another tool in your arsenal. It's a game changer that can help you boost your business and improve your content strategy. Whether you're looking to create high-quality articles quickly or optimize your digital marketing efforts, this software has you covered. It's one of the best AI solutions I've come across, and I highly recommend checking it out. Remember, you can try Jane Turing AI for free from the first link below. After trying thousands of AI software tools, I found that this one stands out for its versatility and performance. For a limited time, I'm also sharing my list of recommended AI software in the description. These are tools that I trust and use personally to maximize my productivity, and you can try them all for free. So don't miss out on these game changers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.